Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 13th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. Another day, another record on the local bourse. The S&P ASX 200 finished up 0.5% today to 7,629 points, taking the rise over the full week to 1.2%. It ended a very big week of half-year earnings announcements, and across the week, banks and insurers did well, and the miners and tech stocks did worst. In trading today, CSL led the way, up 2.4%, while both Westpac and National Australia Bank were up 1.6%. Aristocrat Leisure and James Hardie both continued their recent run, outperforming the market. Downer EDI also jumped by 5.2% after yesterday's strong profit announcement. It was the best stock on the bourse today. Next was Premier Investments, which includes Portmans, Smiggle, Just Jeans, Jackie E and others. It's up almost 5% today, which is slightly ironic given it isn't even trading in much of the country due to lockdowns. Commonwealth Bank's share price fell more than 2% today and is back to its level of Tuesday before it announced its strong results. While CommBank's share price jumped sharply immediately after the announcement, it's now fallen for 2 days straight. Telstra, following its profit announcement and share price increase yesterday, finished down slightly today, while Transurban was also lower. Chalice Mining was the worst on the bourse today, down 5.7%. It's back to its levels of 4 months ago. Mind you, it's still 400% higher than a year ago. Lithium miner Orocobre was also lower today after a stellar run, down 4.5%. Iron ore futures have tumbled to a 4-month low of $156 a tonne. That's a long way below the $220 a tonne level reached just a few months ago. The drop follows reports from China's state-run Shanghai Securities News, which said Beijing wants to cut steel production by 61 million tonnes in the current half year. BHP, Rio Tinto and Fortescue Metals all fell today as a result. AGL Energy's price bounced back today following yesterday's announcement of a $2.1 billion loss, including a $2.7 billion write-down and a weak profit outlook statement. Today, it rose 4%. Baby Bunting reported a jump in earnings for the last financial year on the back of good sales growth. The group said that lockdowns made it difficult to forecast what was going to happen next, and it chose not to provide profit guidance, citing COVID-related uncertainty. Its share price fell 4.4% today. The Aussie dollar finishes the week buying 73.4 US cents, not much change all week there. And recapping Wall Street briefly, the S&P 500 closed up 0.3%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was flat, and the Nasdaq gained at 0.4%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 13th of August, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of Fear and Greed, where I run through the biggest stories of the week, and then our Sunday edition, where we take apart 2 or 3 of the biggest stories over the last 7 days. Then on Monday, I'm really looking forward to my interview with Anthony Eisen, the co-founder of Afterpay. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.